Good morning, students. Welcome to your English online lecture. Myself, Miss Pooja. I am going to teach you the subject English of Standard First. So, students, are you all ready to learn English? So, students, in our today's online lecture, as you all know, we are learning English grammar. So I request all the students to open your Navjeevan term book, combined book number 2. So students, be ready with your combined book and also carry a pencil in your hand for writing the grammar questions in your combined book. And students, those students who are not having the book, that is the combined book, will remove their English notebook. Okay, students, so be ready with your combined book. Students, this is your Navjeevan term book, that is combined book number 2. Okay, students, so kindly remove your combined book as you can see in the picture shown to you all. Okay, now just open your English grammar and composition part in your combined book. So students, be ready with your English and grammar composition part from page number 24 to 48. Okay, students, so this is your English grammar and composition part in your combined book. So kindly open this page and keep ready. And today in this lecture we are going to learn our last topic, that is home assignment. The meaning of home assignment: the home assignment is actually a homework which you all are supposed to do, but in this online lecture I have taught you all and made a video on this topic, home assignment, so that you can easily do at your home. Okay, students, so let us have a look to our home assignment. So students, open your page number 47 of your combined book, home assignment. Now as I have told you all, बच्चों मैंने बताया है आपको कि होम असाइनमेंट एक्चुअल में होमवर्क है, बट यहाँ पे मैंने इसका वीडियो बनाकर आपको और इजी वे में बताया है ताकि आप घर पर कर सकते हो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो you can see question number 1, who am I? The pictures will help you. Now you can see we are going to discuss in the detail how to solve it. Okay, before that, this topic we have studied, yes or no? Do you all remember from which lesson this is, students? This is from the chapter people who help us in English grammar. Am I right? Yes. So the first picture is of a barber. So in this you have to know the spellings properly so that you can easily solve the puzzles horizontally as well as vertically. बच्चों, आपको people who help us के स्पेलिंग आनी चाहिए, तभी आप ये क्रॉसवर्ड जो पज़ल आपको दिख रहा है वो आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट आप देखो, फर्स्ट पिक्चर है बार्बर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट इज़ द स्पेलिंग ऑफ अ बार्बर? BARBER, barber. The second picture is of a tailor, TAILOR, tailor. The third picture is of a doctor, DOCTOR, doctor. The fourth picture is of a teacher, TEACHER, teacher. And the fifth picture is of a nurse, NURSE, nurse. Okay students, so there are 5 pictures given to you all as a clue. Now you can see the numbers are given in the circle, so according to that numbers we have to write the spelling. बच्चों आप देख सकते हो, आपको हिंट दिया है यानी पिक्चर दी गई है जिसमें आप आइडेंटिफाई इजीली कर सकते हो कि कौन सी पिक्चर है और आपको नेम्स बॉक्सेस में लिखना है। फर्स्ट पिक्चर के यहाँ पे फर्स्ट बार्बर, तो आप देख रहे हो नंबर 1 बार्बर, आपको एरो दिया है, साइन दी है, आपको उसी तरीके से हॉरिजॉन्टली और वर्टिकली लिखना है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स each and every letter you will write in capital letters. Okay students, as you can see in the page number 47, I am going to show you through the video that how we are going to write it. Okay students, so now let us discuss page number 48. Page number 48. The first one is I stitch your clothes. Now the sentence is given, this is who am I. Okay, you have to identify. The question is given, I stitch your clothes. Who am I? Who is that person which stitch your clothes? बच्चों आपके कपड़े कौन सीता है? टेलर. So you are going to write the spelling of tailor. Tailor, tailor. The second one is I cut your hair. मैं आपके बाल काटता हूँ, तो आप उसको पहचान सकते हो कि कौन है वो, दैट इज बार्बर, BARBER, बार्बर। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थर्ड वन इज आई क्योर यू व्हेन यू आर सिक। जब आप बीमार पड़ते हो मैं आपको क्योर यानी आपको ठीक करता हूँ। कौन है वो पर्सन? डॉक्टर, DOCTOR, डॉक्टर। फोर्थ वन, आई वर्क इन अ स्कूल। मैं स्कूल में काम करती हूँ यानी पढ़ाती हूँ। हु एम आई? दैट इज अ टीचर, TEACHER, टीचर। फिफ्थ वन, आई टेक केयर ऑफ पीपल हु आर सिक और हर्ट। आई वर्क इन अ हॉस्पिटल। मैं हॉस्पिटल में काम करती हूँ और मैं लोगों की ध्यान देती हूँ जो बीमार है और जिसे चोट पहुँची है। कौन है वो? नर्स। सो यू विल राइट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ नर्स, NURSE, नर्स। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ जस्ट लुक एट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Complete the following by choosing the correct word from the brackets. Now there are fill in the blanks given to you all and a bracket is given. This is from the preposition lesson. बच्चों ये पार्ट है preposition lesson में से। हमने preposition lesson ग्रामर में पढ़ा है, yes or no? Yes. यूज़ ऑफ ऑन, नियर, इन, अंडर। तो अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे, आपको ब्रैकेट में से जो ऑप्शन सूट होता है वो आपको प्रॉपर आंसर लिखना है। फर्स्ट वन इज देयर इज अ डस्टबिन डैश द डोर। There are two options in the bracket, on and near. So the answer NEAR, near, will come. Second is the dog has a bone dash its mouth. On, in. So the answer is IN, in. Third one is the boy is hiding dash the bed. On, under. In the bracket there are two answers, on, under. The boy is hiding under the bed. UNDER, under. Fourth one, there are many clouds dash the sky. In, on. So the answer is on the sky. Fifth one, Ravi kept the money dash his pocket. There are two answers in the bracket, IN, in, on. So the answer is IN, in his pocket. Sixth one, the plate is dash the table. The plate is in the bracket, IN, in, on. So what is the answer? The plate is on the table. Seventh one, the book shop is near the school. There are two options. You can see NEAR, near, on. So the correct answer is NEAR, near. The book shop is near the school. Eighth one, the fish swims dash the water. The fish swims iron in the water. Okay, so the answer is iron in. So here we have discussed page number 47 as well as page number 48. Now I am going to show you all through the video that how to write it. Okay students, so kindly look at the following how to write the puzzle also on page number 47 as well as the home assignment. So carry a pencil in your hand and be ready. So students, we are going to start home assignment on page number 47 of your combined book. Okay students, now you can see here your crossword puzzle is there. In that the pictures are given and the number is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now horizontally as well as vertically you have to write the names and solve the puzzle. Okay students, do you all remember this part or this that we are going to study here is from the lesson People Who Help Us. Okay students, so let us start. Question number 1, who am I? The pictures will help you. Okay students, now who am I? The first picture is of a barber. Who is a barber? The barber who cuts the hair. Number 1. So what is the spelling of barber that we are going to write? So remove your pencil and start writing. I am showing you B A R B E R, barber. In capital letters you have to write number 1. So number 1 vertically you have to write like this. How I have written B A R B E R, barber. Okay students, now the second one is, what can you see in the picture? The second one is tailor. Okay students, so write the spelling of tailor. Number 2. Here I am writing T A I L O R, tailor. I have written T A I L O. R already in the barber spelling it was given. So my spelling is completed. You can see T A I L O R, tailor. Right students? Yes. Now the third picture, number 3. Third picture you can see doctor. The spelling of doctor is, you all know, D O C T O R. Already written R. So here the spelling of doctor is D O C T O R, doctor. Okay students, now the fourth one. You can see the picture, fourth one. Who is this? This is the teacher. Okay students, now we are going to write the spelling of teacher. T is written. We are going to write E A C H E R, teacher. So you can see in the number 4 here the hint was given, the picture was given. We have written T already is there from the doctor spelling, T E A C H E R, teacher. Okay students, now number 5. What can you see in the picture? She is a nurse. So spelling of nurse, N U R is there, S E, nurse. So our crossword puzzle is completed. You can see number 1 barber, number 2 tailor, number 3 doctor, number 4 teacher, and number 5 nurse. Okay students, now page number 47 is completed. You are going to open page number 48. Okay students. So students, now we are going to start page number 48. Okay students, so open your page number 48. Now the first one here, you all can see who am I is given, sentence is given. First, number 1, I stitch your clothes. I stitch your clothes. Who stitches clothes, student? Tailor. Am I right? So you are going to write in the spelling of tailor in the given dash, in the given space. So write along with me. Tailor, full stop, tailor. Okay students, tailor, tailor. Second one is I cut your hair. Who cuts the hair, students? Barber. Okay, so the spelling of barber, B-A-R-B-E-R, barber. Third one, I cure you when you are sick. Who cures, who treats the patient, students? It is a doctor. So spelling of doctor, students, D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor, full stop. Here you can see I am using the pen, but you have to use the pencil. Okay students. Number 4, I work in a school. Who works in a school? Who teaches us? Teacher. So you are going to write spelling of teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Okay students. Number 5, I take care of people who are sick or hurt. I work in a hospital. Now I take care. Now you can see, don't get confused. In number 3, I cure you when you are sick. Now the doctor cures when you are sick. Now fifth one is also the same. I take care of people. Now care of people. Who takes care of people who are sick or hurt? Who assists the patient? Nurse. I work in a hospital. So here the answer will come nurse. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. Full stop. Question number 2. Complete the following by choosing the correct word from the brackets. Now you can see here words are given. This is from the lesson preposition that we have done. Now according to the suitable answer you have to use, you have to read the sentence and you have to write the correct answer which suits in the sentence. First one, there is a dustbin dash the door. On, near. Now on will not come. There is a dustbin on the door. No, there is a dustbin near the door. N-E-A-R, near. So you write N-E-A-R, near. Okay students. Second one, the dog has a bone dash its mouth. The dog has a bone in its mouth. On will not come. The correct answer is in. The boy, third one, the boy is hiding dash the bed. The boy is hiding on the bed will not come. The boy is hiding under the bed. Under. So write U-N-D-E-R, under. Fourth one, there are many clouds dash the sky. In the sky, on the sky. There are many clouds on the sky. Okay, O-N, on. Fifth one, Ravi kept the money dash his pocket. In the pocket, on his pocket. Ravi kept the money in his pocket. On his pocket will not come. In his pocket. I-N, in. The plate is dash the table. The plate is on the table. O-N, on. Seventh one, the book shop is dash the school. On the school will not come. Near the school. N-E-A-R, near the school. Eighth one, the fish swims dash the water. In, under. Now the fish swims in the water, under the water. The fish swims in the water. The fish is swimming in the water. In. So you can see page number 48. Home assignment is also completed. Here we have completed this part, that is who am I, and from the preposition part, question number 2, you can see this is also completed in the exam. This is very important. This can come. So students, pay attention carefully and practice at your home. Here the entire English portion is completed. From the next lecture I am going to start the revision. Okay students.